to switch it up for the summer and have like some different looks. Like I was
pretty down, pretty down, pretty down, pretty down. Send it so I feel that pretty down, pretty down, pretty down, down and it's I'm still that worry. You know I make it in a hurry. There'll never be another for me. You'll always be my one and only, and you don't ever have to worry. You know I make it in a hurry. There'll never be another for me. You'll always be my one and only, and you don't ever have to.
Hey you guys, my name is Jay. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this 99J lace front wig. I love it so much. This wig is from Amazon Prime. That's right, you can get this wig in 2 to 3 days on Amazon Prime. It is so convenient, so cute, high quality. This unit is from Trodolo hair, I think is how you pronounce it. They sent me over this wig. I was scared at first to go out on a limb and try this wig out because as you can see, it is red. It's a 99J, so it's not bright red, but it's not like a deep red either. So I was a little bit nervous, but I am so excited. I agreed to do this review along with the stylist that I went to. She completely slayed this unit and I'm just obsessed with this look. I think red might be like my new color that I stick with for summer 2021 because this wig is everything. I love it. So I'm about to give you guys the details on this wig, and while I give you the details, I'll be inserting clips from when I got it installed, as well as I'll be going ahead and just running the flat iron through it. It really doesn't need it, but while I talk to you guys, I'll run the flat iron through it and tell you the specs about this wig. Alright, so let's jump into the specs about the wig because I know that's what y'all here for and that is what you guys want to know. So this unit is 18 inches. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. So what that just means is it goes 13 inches across and 4 inches back. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for you guys so that you guys can see the lace and really just get into how natural this unit looks. Literally, after my stylist installed it, she even said too, this literally looks like my hair is like relaxed and dyed red. That's how natural it looks. It looks so natural and I love that for me. I'm so happy because like I told you guys at first, I was super scared about it, but I mean, she did the damn thing with laying this wig and I'm just totally obsessed. So I'll turn around so you guys can see how long it is. Comes way down half of my back and actually it's giving me kind of like 20-inch vibe. I was actually thinking about cutting it into a bob. I might actually still do that towards the end of this install just to kind of switch it up. This unit came up to $189.86 and I just feel like that is a complete steal for it to be already a ready-made wig as well as a colored wig, and the color is done so well. It doesn't look cheap, it doesn't look tacky, it doesn't look anything like that. It's so freaking beautiful. Start, you know, flat ironing it because I know you guys want to see, you know, how it does with heat, but I did just get it installed today and like I said, the stylist that did my hair, she did it so beautiful. It was actually my first time meeting her and I'm just so happy that I met her because it was just such a great experience. And now I have somebody else to go to when I'm not going to my cousin, and you know I have somebody else to go to in order to get my wig slayed. So like I said, I will be inserting some video of when I first got it done, so I'll probably end up putting those in the front of the video, to be honest. But do you guys see how silky this hair is? It is so silky. The hair did take to bleach really well. When I talked to the stylist, she did say that the lace was pretty good. Like, no, she had no, you know, negative comments about the lace. So I'm telling you guys to run over to I cannot say this name. Trodolo? I don't know. Y'all run over to them and make sure you guys tell them that I sent you and get y'all a wig, because this wig is so beautiful. We need to switch it up for the summer and have like some different looks. Like, I was getting so bored with like the lace fronts, and then you guys know I just came back from Mexico, so I did wear braids, and I got some braids and I like them for the moment, but I'm just like not a braid girl, a girl that can wear them all the time. Although I do still want to get me like some jumbo braids soon. I needed a switch up. This wig was the perfect switch up that I didn't even know I needed. So I'm just so happy that they reached out to me and gave me this opportunity. I don't know if I would have ever taken the risk and bought this, because I probably would have been so nervous. And I don't know if there are a lot of videos with like red units, but this one right here, this color is so nice. It doesn't look like all bright and tacky. They did such a great job with coloring this unit. I can't wait to like throw some curls in it so I can see how it looks with curls. I just know it's gonna be so cute. Can you guys imagine this wig with a bob? I will be serving some looks with a bob, red bob. Don't even play. Don't even play. I don't even know like what else to say except for like buy this wig, because it's beautiful. Look at it. I don't even have to talk. Y'all could just look at it. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna make sure I go ahead and tag the stylist who did my hair. If you're located in the San Francisco Bay Area, that is where she's local to. So you guys make sure y'all hit her up, because she's a young and upcoming stylist and she is so talented. So I'm gonna make sure I tag her name here as well as in the description box, and y'all give her a follow on Instagram. I did just get it installed, but I haven't experienced any shedding, and it came pre-plucked. She did pluck it like a little bit more, but I do think that it's something that you could possibly wear without even plucking. It's bomb. It's bomb. And they have other units as well. They have all type of other wigs as well. And this unit starts off at a 16-inch and it goes all the way up to a 26-inch. So for my girls that want to slay with the long bundles, they got you covered. 26 inches. And I'm definitely going to be ordering this wig myself in the future, because I'm just so obsessed with this color and just the overall natural look it gave to me. So I just want to go ahead and thank Trodolo for sending me over this unit. It was such a pleasure. This wig is beautiful. I mean, it's just not much more I can say except for it's just beautiful. It's giving me all the hot girl summer feels. It allowed me to switch up my look, something different that I haven't had red hair in about 5 to 6 years, and I've never had it in this way. So thank you guys so much for sending me over this unit, and y'all make sure y'all click the link in the description box and pick up this wig, because it's well worth it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.